Hello, today I am going to show you how to install the FA Premier League Manager 2002 on Windows 10 64-bit version. So you go to Google, go to website My Abandonware. There are 3 links to download. Scroll all the way down. This link, no CD link, and this link right here from Mr. Morgan. You click on this, download the file. Okay. After downloading 3 files, you're going to have this right here. So I'm going to unzip this one first. Go here, go to setup folder, 3D setup. Okay, so you have the file 3D option, move it to English folder. That's it, step 1. Alright, step 2, you go to 32 bits installer, unzip this file. Alright, go to that file, cut. You're gonna cut this file, go back to the Win English right here, go to setup folder, English folder, and paste the setup file right here. Alright, and then let's start up. Before you do that, go to properties, make sure you check run this program and check run this program as administrator. Okay, click setup. If nothing pop up, you will go to search task manager, go to details, scroll down, you're gonna see setup 32 right here. Right click, choose analyze weight change. Check this one. This one blocks the setup, so end process, and then now click the setup again. See, there you go. I'm gonna enter the CD key. Okay, see, you have this. Next up, enter CD key again. 7. Next, see, I leave it. Very important, go to browse. You see the highlight, go over here, change it to C drive, and then click OK, and then next. Voila, is installing the game. It's okay. Click it. Register later. Okay. Okay. Alright. This is a another setup, but just click cancel. This is the setup. Okay. Once the setup is done, you go to folder. Now you unzip no CD. Extract file. Alright, no CD. Cut this file. Go to local DC where you install the game. EA Sport right here. You're gonna find the setup. Oh, you just paste the file right here. Replace. Yep. And for your convenience, I just copy this file here to the desktop so I can play it. So you can play from this icon right here. There you go. See? Very smooth. Let's start a new game. Just click one team, start the game. As you can see, the game is really smooth. See? And then that's it. That's how you install the game on Windows 10 64-bit version. Thanks for watching.